Hello everyone, my name is Swati and I work with Coldwell Banker Swap. I am a Mudon specialist and today we will talk about my community Mudon. So Mudon is a master development by Dubai Properties which was launched in Q2 2022. This has a lot of phases and few of these phases are still in the development and are in the off-plan process. So Mudon has 6 to 7 phases which comprises of Rahat, Salem, Naseem, Arabella and Mudon Al Ranim. Now we talk about the location of Mudon. So Mudon basically located at the junction of Khudra Road and Emirates Road, which is called as a Dubai land. And the nearby communities, it has the Mac Hills, it has Dubai Sports City, it has Motor City and Arabian branches nearby. Now we talk about Mudon Al Ranim. This is a recent community which has started being handed over recently. So Mudon Al Ranim is comprises of 3 to 4 bedroom townhouses. It also has G+1 and G+2. This is the first community which DP has recently launched in which they have given G+1 and G+2 townhouses. Why we are talking more about Mudon Al Ranim? Because this is the only community which is now left in the matured community of Mudon, and there are 8 phases which are still in the process of handover. So Mudon Al Ranim, Ranim 1, Ranim 2, Ranim 3 and Ranim 4 has already been handed over and has been liked by a lot of families and has been in demand excessively. Now we talk about the sizes. So the sizes ranges between 1800 till 3000 plot sizes because they have different plot sizes. They have G+1, they have G+2 and a double height ceiling which has been launched in this Mudon Al Ranim. The phases are from Ranim 1 to Ranim 8, from which Ranim 4 has been handed over and Ranim 5 is in the process of handover. Because of the new community, all the families and all the people, they are liking too much, and the price range starts between 3 million for a 3-bedroom townhouse up till 5 million for a G+2 4-bedroom. Since there are different plot sizes, the prices range also differs in this particular community. Now, if we talk about the villas, if you're looking something for villas and semi-detached, then you must go to Arabella, where they have a closed kitchen, perfect for the family who are looking for the closed kitchen. Now, if you're looking for a bigger plot sizes, then you can go to a Rahat community. Rahat comprises of 3000 plot sizes to 6000 to 7000 plot sizes if you're looking for a massive, and they all are stand-alones. Now, if you're looking for a semi-detached and some cozy houses, you can go to Salem, Nasim, which is a smaller sub-community in between the Mudon. Now, these all are already been handed over and these are all mature communities. So that's why we are more focusing on Ranim. Ranim is been liking by all the people, all the families, mix of nationalities. You will find Indians, you will find Arabics, you will find English, you will find UK nationals. Everybody is liking this Ranim because they have a lot of lush greenery. They have introduced jogging park, cycling track, tennis court, paddle court, schools. They have nurseries, they have hospitals, Saudi German, Astor. Everything what you're looking is you can find in the Mudon Al Ranim community. So at the end, I would like to say that why buyers are interested in this particular community or why buyers should consider this community. It's a premium Dubai Properties community, so of course a high-notch construction quality. They have different kinds of types of villas, townhouses, whatever you need. So the plot sizes start is from 1800 up till the plot sizes of 10,000 square feet. So if you're looking for a smaller family, you can go to Mudon Al Ranim and you can have a 1800 square feet, which is the starting size. Or if you're looking for a larger family and bigger plot size, you can look at Rahat. So if you're looking anything in the Mudon community, please contact us.